Okay. Following the flow chart, the first one is the the extensor carpi radialis longus. Extensor carpi radialis brevis. Okay. They go down and they connect to the same tendon. Okay. Then I hit these two. Okay. Those two are pretending like they're together. Okay. Because it's just two heads, but it's the same muscle. So extensor digitorum communis. Okay. Extensor digitorum lateralis. Okay. Extensor carpi ulnaris. Notice that's extensor carpi ulnaris, flexor carpi ulnaris. Okay. Then we flip it. You just pull it. Then guess what? You could see them from that view. Actually, you can see them from that view beautifully, right? Extensor digitorum, extensor carpi radialis longus brevis. And notice how they both come down and connect to one tendon. Okay, and so I do that. Then you hit the pronator teres. Then I hit the flexor carpi radialis. My Palmaris longus. Wait. Pronator teres, yeah. Flexor carpi radialis, Palmaris longus is there. And then guess what? These two are the same. Because this one here, this deep one, and this one is like the same. There's two heads. But guess what? I go back to my flexor carpi ulnaris. And that's it. Does that make more sense?
Yeah, that makes sense. Thank you.